So you've turned on all the settings they told you to turn on your YouTube channel settings, but you are still not getting the views and subscribers you think you deserve. Now you followed all the advices given by all the top gurus on YouTube, such as this guy right here, this guy right here, and the one right here, but you are still not getting the views and subscribers you think you deserve. Well, could that be your village people working against you? Well, that's not your village people. In fact, I'm just joking. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the three legit reasons why you're not getting the views and subscribers you deserve. Now, you need to make sure you watch to the end so that you get number 3, because number 3 is the most important reason why you're not getting your views and subscribers. So what I'm going to be starting with the first reason. So the first major reason why you're not getting the views and subscribers that you think you deserve right on your YouTube channel is that your content is not all that good as you think it is.
I know it. I know it.
Now let's face fact. No matter the kind of thumbnail you use right there on your video, no matter the kind of title, the catchy title that you're putting out there, no matter your optimization on your YouTube videos, if the main content of your video is not all that good or not appealing to your audience, you're not going to get the views and subscribers that you're supposed to get. Now let me explain further. Now recently I realized that most of you treat YouTube as a game between your videos and the YouTube algorithm, and that's why whenever you upload any video and you don't get the views and subscribers that you think you desire, you start thinking that YouTube did you bad. You start thinking that the YouTube doesn't love your video, but that is not true. In fact, any video that YouTube hates, what they do is to pull it down. They remove it out of YouTube. So for you to even know that YouTube loves your video and wants people to watch your video, go and check the impression of any video that did not do well on your channel. You will realize how much more YouTube loves your video, that they show it to people, but just that people don't want to watch it. Now, if you truly want to start getting the views and subscribers you think you desire on your channel, you really need to start treating YouTube as a business. Now, see yourself as a businessman. For example, just see yourself as a businessman in a business place offering a goods or services to people who are your customers. Now, when one customer comes in and they don't like the way you sell the goods and services to them, your approach of selling it, and then they also realize that the goods and services that you sold to them is not good. So what do you think happens next? Will they come back again? The answer is no. That's how YouTube works. YouTube is a business. So once people come to your channel and then they watch your video and they don't like it and then they pull out immediately, what it tells YouTube is that this video is not that good. And once that signal is being sent to the YouTube algorithm, what YouTube algorithm does is that it shadow bans that video. That's when you start hearing about shadow banning. In case you don't know what shadow banning is just a state whereby your content is being buried where nobody will see it on YouTube. And that is because the content is just like a bad product. It's not appealing to the audience, so they have to bury it where nobody will see it so that other ones which people like will be on top. You understand? So, and normally YouTube wants every videos on their platform to be watched, because once all the videos on their platforms are being watched, it's money to them because it helps keeps people on their platform. So once your videos are not keeping people on their platform, they are pulling out on your video. In fact, they are getting out of YouTube. What it does is that it sends YouTube algorithm a message that people doesn't like this video, that they should pull it down. And once they pull it down, that's when you start hearing about YouTube is shadow banning somebody. But the real truth is that the word shadow banning doesn't exist. What it means is that your content is not all that good. So before you put out any content out there, before you go ahead and publish that video that you just created, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, if I'm the one that come across this content, like I'm not the one that did this content, I come across this content, will I be able to watch it? If I'm the audience that was meant to watch this content, can I be able to watch it? If the answer you're giving to yourself is no, please don't upload that video. Otherwise, you will start complaining about how YouTube doesn't like your video. YouTube on a normal wants every videos on their platforms to be watched. So if your videos are not being watched on YouTube or subscribed, just know that you are doing the wrong thing, which is your video is not all that good. It's either you change your pattern of doing your content or you change your content altogether if you are not good at the content you are doing. So that's number one. So the number two reason why your content are not getting the views and subscribers that you think they deserve, that they should get, is that YouTube hasn't found the right audience for your videos. Now, if you are starting up a YouTube channel, one of the things that you should not be talking about much, should not be thinking about much, is views and subscribers. Now, the reason why I say this is that whenever you post out, whenever you create a YouTube channel and then do the right thing, the right settings, and then post a video, there is no way that you will start getting views and subscribers on that your YouTube channel from the first day. Yeah, it's not possible. It doesn't happen anywhere. In fact, YouTube algorithm need to carry that video to the right audience before you can start getting the views and subscribers you deserve. Now, let me give you, for example, I started a channel a few days ago, about 7 days ago. So when I posted the first video on that channel, it took me 2 days before I could get views on that particular video. And once I started getting views on that particular video, the views started going up and I started getting subscribers and everything. So sometimes you need to allow YouTube to do their work by making sure that once you post the content, you don't start panicking immediately. Just focus on posting your content, doing the right things, such as putting your thumbnails, putting your title tag, doing the right optimization. So once you focus on this, just allow YouTube to do their work. So sometimes some content takes time before they start getting views and subscribers, because YouTube algorithm needs to take time to give your video the right audience for them to watch. Otherwise, your video will not get views and subscribers. So if you are starting up a YouTube channel and you're not getting the views and subscribers you desire or think you desire, just calm down. YouTube is coming. And once they start giving you that views and subscribers, you will be the one to run from it. Because definitely, once you are doing the right thing, YouTube will definitely recommend your videos to the right audience, and then you get your views and subscribers that you deserve. So that's number 2. So the third reason why you're not getting the views and subscribers that you think you deserve right on your YouTube channel is that you are trying to do the work of algorithm. After doing your work by publishing your video and optimizing it, some of you still want to help the algorithm to do their work, and that is not proper. Now, as funny and as strange as this may sound, this is true for most of you who are not getting the views and subscribers. Now, let me explain what I mean by this. Now, whenever you are done publishing a video on YouTube, you always have this urge, this steady urge of sharing your videos on various social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. You will start sharing it there. And then some of you go as far as telling your friends about these videos to go and watch and subscribe, and you think you are doing the right thing. But the truth is that you are hurting that particular video which you are telling people to watch, which you are sharing on your various social media network for people to watch and then subscribe to your channel. Now, what this does to your video is that it sends a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm that they don't need their help for this video to be recommended or to be watched by people. So what YouTube algorithm does is that once they see that views and subscribers are not coming from the video, and they are not the one orchestrating these views and subscribers by recommending your video, what will happen is that the YouTube algorithm will detach itself from that particular video, thereby not stressing itself to look for the right audience that it will recommend the video for them to watch. And that's why you see, once those views from your friends and from other social media networks stops coming in, that will be the end of the views for that video, because the YouTube algorithm has detached itself from that video. And then some of these people you are telling to watch these your videos don't even watch it. They just do eye service by going to your channel and then click on it and then click out again and then tell you that they've watched it. Some of them will just go there and subscribe without watching it. All this I'm just telling you right now are those mechanisms, those little mechanisms that hurt your channel and stop you from getting the views and subscribers that you deserve, but you don't know. But all you know is just that you need to publish your videos, and once you don't get the views and subscribers, you start talking about how YouTube hates your videos. YouTube can never hate your videos. In fact, YouTube wants all the videos in their platforms to be watched by people. And if your videos are not getting watched and you are not getting subscribed by your audience are not subscribing to your channel, that means that your videos, you are doing something wrong. And these 3 things are what you are doing wrong. And if you watch this video up to this moment and you still think that these 3 valid reasons I gave in this video is not the reason why your videos are not getting the views and subscribers that you desire, then I will be leaving you with this one single tip that you will need to follow after watching this video, which is you need to diversify. So some of you are so boxed up in one particular content that you can't even diversify to know if you can get these views and subscribers that you think you desire. Now let's take, for example, you are into the tech niche, and then the particular topic you're covering in this tech niche is phone review. Now let's take, for example, if there's no phone to review out there, what will you do? You will stop doing videos because there's no phone to review? Well, that's bad. So in that case, you need to diversify your content. So if you're into phone tech review, you can also do other reviews like car reviews or any other kind of tech reviews that is not phone inside that your YouTube channel. That's the way you diversify and get how you get the views and subscribers that you desire and you deserve. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. So if you have any question that you want to ask me or you wish to ask me, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'm coming there to reply all your questions with answers. And then please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys in the next video.